Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will demo step by step how to use an iPad as a monitor for your iPhone video camera. By Blackmagic Camera app, the monitor side will not only display same screen, also it can control iPhone video camera as well. It is free, but for video only. Setup step by step. Step 1. On the iPhone side, grab the Blackmagic Camera app from the App Store. Make sure your phone is running iOS 17.0 or later so it installs without a hitch. Let's move to step 2. On the monitor side, you'll need the Blackmagic Camera app installed on your iPad. The iPad has to be running iPadOS 17 or later. Using second iPhone for monitor also works. For step 3, on the iPhone side, turn on the personal hotspot. Step 4, on monitor side, connect Wi-Fi to iPhone's hotspot. Step 5, on iPhone side, open Blackmagic Camera APP. Go to Setting, turn Remote function on. Then select Use this iPhone as Remote Camera. Name your camera. Set passwords.
The camera will be available for control and monitor, plus more functions. Then back to Blackmagic.
Step 6. On the iPad side, open Blackmagic Camera app, go to Setting, turn Remote function on. Then select Use this iPad as controller. Name your iPad controller. Then back to Blackmagic APP screen. Step 7. Pair the iPad and the iPhone. Make sure that Blackmagic Camera app is on at iPhone side. Okay, from iPad's Blackmagic Camera APP screen, tap 3 dots on middle of left side of the screen, then tap remote icon, you will see iPhone camera. Slide it on, then tap connect. Then type in password of the camera, then tap connect. You'll be able to monitor and control it. Okay, thank you for watching and enjoy your new setup.